Yeah, hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about one of the very important AI-based application, which is called manufacturing intelligence or deviation report. We can call that. So basically, if we understand the scenario in the company, manufacturing company, there is different unit over there like maintenance, supply chain, production, then procurement, different unit is there. So each unit have some separate task like production have some expected production line or unit they have to match at the end of the day. Suppose we can take an example. Suppose in a company like they in 24 hours in a day they do the production of 1,000 items. So they have a target like at the end of the day we have to achieve 1,000 items, we have to produce 1,000 items. So if due to some reason, due to some cause, if it is dropped the production like 10%, 20%, so it is a headache for the dedicated team to find it out the real cause behind it. They do the paperwork, they manually have to do analysis and all. So to resolve that issue, we came with one of the application. This is manufacturing intelligence. So what manufacturing intelligence do? It take the last 24-hour data, do the analysis. Okay. So and just give a suggestion. AI give a suggestion or direct advice to the team. You have to due to this reason, like the production issue have dropped. So just follow the instruction. Suppose 10% drop in the production, so or the cost, the AI found the cause is like there is some motor issue or machine issue. Machine was slow, and due to that reason the production was slow. It will immediately advise to the team that just I mean like focus on the motor settings, or could be supply issue, or adequate material was not enough. That is the reason, that could be the reason. So this application is very useful for the small or big companies, and the companies, those who don't want to do the manual work and want to save the time, for them this is a ideal applications. So we'll find it out like what is the how it works exactly. So I have these applications. So if we just refresh the page, I have just tested the things. See, we have last 24 hours data here in CSV we are storing, but in the big companies data come in the pipeline like ETL process and all. So every morning we get the last 24-hour data from different unit. So what we'll do, we'll upload all the files. We'll upload all the files here, and if we need any more files to upload, we can do that. If you want to clear, we can clear that also. And if you want to generate, so today is 23rd October 2025, and we have the data till last 24 hours data, means 22 October's data from different unit. So in that case, we'll do the generate report the data from different unit, the production, product ID, or like supply chain, how many what is the expected production should be, and what we achieved yesterday, like last 24 hours. So the all data analysis by the AI, and finally AI give the straight and simple advice to the team. So you can see based on the KPIs are like a key performance indicator. So every unit having in the data have some KPIs, and KPIs which impact on the based on the, by looking at the KPIs we can understand the the data analysis. We can do the data analysis. So here it is saying the operations health status indicates significant challenges, particularly with the supply chain and maintenance sectors. So we can say one positive note here, it is saying like the production output exceed the target and achieving 9002 unit, and the quality score remain commendable at 86%. So I mean the expected production has achieved that, I mean it crossed the target value, so which is very good. So we can see the KPIs one by one. See, you can see like it have reached 19,025. It crossed it. The expected was like 17,538, and we can say the score is very good, like 83 point, which is this symbol is showing, it is in the growth symbol. And supply chain ODC, total downtime, how much the machine was down, and those things, the maintenance breakdown. And now we are discussing, we'll discuss about the critical deviations. So critical deviation was like in supply chain. So 13 late deliveries in last 24 hours. What is that? Expected point 95.0, the actual was 58.1. So variance is like, which is dropped actually. So again, the maintenance part also, actual expected is 1, actually is 4.4. Unplanned breakdown occurred in the machine, so variance is 300%. And other one is like in the production, overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, which is very important, crucial KPIs. OEE is below target at 83.8 percentage. Expected was like 90. Production expected 90, but actually it came like 83.8. The variance is 6.8. Procurement is the medium. The purchase order value fulfillment, so whatever we hit purchase, it came on time, delivery it on our time, so that is the value shortfall is 76.6. so expect is 100, actually is 94, the variance is 4.5%. so now what AI is predicting or AI is directly suggesting, we can discuss. Increased defect rate has increased. Then what might happen, given the current average defect rate 2.5%, there is a potential risk of further increased in defect due to ongoing production pressure. So these are the way we can see like the probability is high. Maintenance issue, then prevention action, implement a quality check protocol and increase monitoring during high output period to catch the defect early. So these are the suggestions as given by the AI. So if in this case, if AI the team follow the instruction, definitely they will achieve their target and the quality, everything. So this is very useful for the manufacturing company. So everyone should use this one. Thank you.